2016 Grand Design Momentum M Class 350M for sale in Gypsum, Kansas 67448. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Grand Design Momentum M Class 350M. This luxury toy hauler is 38.75 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 8 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs, 1 awning and automatic leveling jacks. This impressive toy hauler has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2016 Grand Design Momentum M Class 350M toy hauler RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious toy hauler your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area, 3-burner stove, oven and microwave full-size refrigerator/freezer, ComboDouble kitchen, SinkDinetteFireplaceThree, televisions, surround sound, DVD/CD/StereoSofa, ChairsTwo, BathroomsMaster, Queen bed, master closet/DresserBunk, BedOnan, GeneratorThree, air conditioner, UnitsLED lighting, 11-foot garage, 2 gas tanks with on-board pump, 14-ply tires and so much more. This 2016 Grand Design Momentum M Class 350M is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This toy hauler is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Grand Design toy hauler can be yours.